Hello and welcome to Paul's Engage channel again. Yes, I'm doing the low relief high street T005 Scalescenes kit now. As you can see, I've progressed. I've now got a pile of bits all cut out, and I've also got some sides and backs, so these are the backs. And here are the instructions. Now then, there are 19 pages of these. Oh, excuse me for getting in and out of focus, but there you go, page 1 of 19. And yeah, a good thing about Scalescenes kits is, like most things, if you print one lot, you keep the instructions for further kits. So you only need to print this 19 page one once. Unfortunately, I don't have a double-sided printer, or double-sided printing printer. So they're all on single-sided, so it's a shame actually, because I could have cut down a lot of paper, but never mind. We have got these, and they can, they're good for as long as they last before you put all your coffee cups and debris Watsits on. As you can see, I've got quite a few bits of tools around at the moment. I've got the scalpels. I've got 2 of them somewhere. Got the other one somewhere. Oh, there it is over there. So I'm having a look around while I'm talking to you. And there's my other scalpel. And we've got tweezers, pen, scissors, ruler. Well, that's one of about 3 that I've got around. I've also got a pair of thick pliers, or snub nose pliers. Those are normally for making or changing the blades on the scalpels. And here's a piece of the model along with that, and here is a glue bottle, and as I showed you the other day on the previous video, this is what I picked up from from Amazon. I would have brought them from Temu, but unfortunately I didn't get around to getting them, and I had some Amazon vouchers, so thank you Amazon. So yeah, I've got plenty of bits and pieces, and these are my keep them together bits. And these are just a small pack of small bulldog clips, which are great for keeping 2 pieces together, side walls, etc. This is another one of my gadgets, which is the old crocodile clip, which I use to keep things. I'll put it on a bit of oil, so if I do soldering, I can do whatnot. Anyway, I've got loads of those. Apart from that, there's different types of card in case I need some work. This is a very thin, very thin card. This is a medium card, which is the cereal packets. That's that again, and that again. And they go in different sizes depending on which cereal packet or box you're using. So yeah, medium card, light card, and heavy card. Now heavy card, they say, is about 1mm, medium about 200 grams. Well, that's about 200 grams, maybe a bit more. And this is the thick card, but unfortunately this is 2mm thick. I have got some 1mm thick card, but I have to search around for it. But I do find that sometimes the cereal packets is about 1mm. Anyway, we're going to make this a low relief high street. As I say, I have got a copy of this already made, and as you can see, it comprises of 5 buildings. And here's some more bits and pieces. These are the floors. I've got to do these floors because they're for the smaller. You've got two large, or what I call wide, two middle, and one of the older, if you like, medieval 18th century buildings. So yeah, I'll get on and do that, and I'll let you know how I get on. So for the moment, that's it. We are now on to Low Relief High Street, Engage. Thank you. Tune in for the views later on. I'll keep popping a like and subscription, and then you'll get told about further videos. Thank you. Bye.